Hey guys, so we are going to work on raindrops. So it's a new one. So in this one here, we have a number. If that number has 3 as a factor, it returns Pling, 5, Plang, 7, Plong. Alright? And if it's 3, 5, or 7, and it doesn't have 3, 5, or 7 as a factor, it will return that digit. Okay, so here we have some examples, and I think that's pretty much it really. So go ahead and read this, understand this, and we'll return Pling Plang again if we have 3, 5 as factor but not 7. Okay, so let's do this. Copy that, and we want to do the same as we've done previously. Open it up, go Sublime, and just quickly have a look here. We have numbers, single numbers that return Pling, Plang, Pong, and then this one here returns because it has 3 and 5 as factors, and then we'll just read through. Okay, so it all seems to make sense. So this one looks like it's going to be a simple case of if statements. So we're going to say if this number has divisible by 3 and returns 0 as a remainder, so go ahead and do something. So that's modulo. That's what we're doing there with the percentage. Alright, so again we'll do this here. If this is a factor of 5, we want to plus equals Plang, and if the number given is a modulo 7, factor of 7, we want to do Plong. Okay, so let's experiment. I want to explain what plus equals is actually doing. So if we have an empty string for raindrops and we say raindrops plus equals, and we put Pling in there and we print out the value, it will say Pling. And if I said raindrops plus equals Plong and we check the value, is now Pling Plong. So plus equals basically says whatever you have stored inside you, keep it and add this in there as well. Alright, so with that in place, that's what we're doing here in raindrops. Okay, so if it's factor of 3, Pling, if it's factor of 5, 2, Plong added in there. So go ahead and return, and when we look here, this will return 52, right? Because 52 matches, doesn't match for what we want it to. So in that case, it will return the actual number. So let's do that. If raindrop is 0, so there's no factors matching 3, 5, and 7. If it's blank, so go ahead and return the number. Okay, so that's what we want. Save that, so that will return a number. So this is a string, so we want to make sure it returns a string number instead of just a digit number. Okay, with this done, we can run our test, and that was the solution to the problem. So it's all green. So how can we refactor this? If raindrops equals blank, we could say if not raindrops, so that's falseness. If not raindrop, then do that. Does that work? Yep, that works. I can't see how else to refactor this. I think it's pretty much as it should. So let's go ahead, submit our work, submit. Alright, so now that's done, refresh the screen. Well done. Emento will leave your feedback. Okay, so we're waiting for Ement to respond, so this will take as long as it takes. So I'm going to come back to this one. Okay, so I've come back 26 minutes later. So someone else has left Chivalry. Hey, Chivalry, our friend Chivalry. So he's left a message. He likes the use of falseness. So that's on line 10 where we say if not raindrops. So our refactoring efforts paid off. So that's awesome. What else have we done? So we can put a comment in here. Thank you, smiley face. All right, so that's that done. So let's submit this work and we'll give him full. We like chivalry. Thank you. Oh, yeah, and that has unlocked 2 more work for us to do. Okay, so we've got more work to do. That's fine. I'm up for the challenge. All right, so that's it for this one. Let's have a look and see what other people have done. Let's have a look at this person's name. Can't say, pronounce. Okay, so it's pretty much identical to what we've done. So all good. Let's have a look at this. Again, this is very similar to what we've done. It has if else instead of falseness. So this is, I like this one. So return true or string. That's awesome. I prefer this to what I've done, to be honest. So it checks if text is empty or you return whichever one is not empty, basically. That's a neat trick. So this one here is also similar to the previous one. This is similar to ours, and then it does if else down below. I would delete those comments above. Okay, so that is that. Go ahead and check out more. Just keep learning. That's it, guys, for this one. I will see you in the next video and we could work on another task.